Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I am doing an ultimate clean with me. I don't think I've cleaned this many things and done this much in one day. Like, I'm still not done, but I didn't want this video to be 12 hours long. If you guys like long clean with me's, then this is what you're in for. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And also, probably the next video I post on my channel is going to be my guest bedroom transformation, so I'm really excited to share that with you guys. I've been working on it since the end of April, and I just really want to show you because it looks so good and it's like my new favorite room in the house. So don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss that video, because that should be posted probably within the next week right after this video. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get on to cleaning.
Okay, so here is a good overview of my house. It was a disaster. This week, or the past month at school was just crazy, and honestly my housework just fell onto the back burner. As to be expected when you're studying all the time, and just, my education comes first. So my house was a disaster. I just had a lot of stuff I need to pick up. It wasn't like, it was just more messy. And I finally took the time to clean it up, and because I hate having a messy house. So I really want to just film this video and show you guys the real life. And this is it. So first thing is I really like to start in the kitchen, because I feel like if I can get the kitchen clean, that's one thing I can go ahead and quickly mark off my list and move on to other parts of the house. Also, I get very sidetracked, and if I see something else while I'm cleaning something in the kitchen or another part of the house, then it just messes up my whole cleaning schedule, and I usually don't even get the things done that I really need to get done because I keep getting sidetracked. I know if you know, you know what I'm talking about. The getting sidetracked while cleaning is real. So I'm cleaning with a lot of Mrs. Meyer's and the new brand at Target called Everspring, I think is what it's called. And I highly recommend them. I've been using them both for a while now since I saw them at Target. I got all the Mrs. Meyer's Spring limited edition scents, and I really like those. But the new Everspring line at Target is really nice. It's made with essential oils, and it's very affordable. So it's something to definitely check out if you're interested. Their dish soap has been working great. And my husband also has, when he works outside, he gets really greasy hands from working on stuff, and it gets all that off immediately. He doesn't have to scrub and everything, and it's just a really gentle brand. So highly recommend trying that out. Next time you're at Target, don't forget to pick some up. I just want to show you guys this cute little teapot. I got it as a wedding gift over 2 years ago, but my dog hadn't heard me heat up tea in it, and he did not like it. It really scared him, but I just thought it was super cute, and I wanted to make some tea while I was cleaning.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
So thankfully we just got a new washer and dryer, which I was so happy about. This was the most exciting thing, because we really needed a new one. The one we were using was just super old and kind of rusty. It was Aaron's very first one, so I was very thankful to have a new washer and dryer.
I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next next to me.
Clean bedding is a priority. Like, I want to wash my sheets almost every day just because I love the feeling of clean sheets, clean comforter, clean pillows. I even wash my pillows. So I'm just taking everything apart and going to wash it all here. And that way, by the nighttime, it's all clean and ready for bed. I also feel like I need to clean my sheets a lot because my dogs are always in my bed. Like, you will see Hickory just gets back up on the bed. He thinks it's his bed, and I'm not going to tell him to get down because he's too cute. But I do feel like I need to wash my sheets and my bedding more often just because of the dogs.
See the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
I also Swiffer a ton, and it's because, dogs. And I pick up so much dog hair. I have to Swiffer pretty much every single day just to keep the dog hair under control, especially now that it's starting to get warmer.
Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
Feeling all that hate, how much you are.
So this little $3 tool I actually got from TJ Maxx, and it's meant to clean your blinds, and I absolutely love it because when you're done, you just take that little microfiber cloth off and you just clean your blinds and throw it in the washing machine, and you're good to go for the next time. And it actually came with 2, so I was really excited to have this, and it was only $2 or $3 at TJ Maxx.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a
Cleaning my fan blades is something I literally hate doing so much, but I was recently watching Lauren Midgley's channel here on YouTube, and she said that she learned from another YouTuber, I think, to clean her fan blades using an old pillowcase, and you just like put the pillowcase over the fan blade, and then you just pull all the dust and the debris that's up there, because there's a lot of stuff that's on your fan blades, and it's so gross that you're like breathing that stuff in. And so I learned this trick from her, and I absolutely loved it. It worked perfectly, so shout out to her. I love her channel, and I will link all of her stuff down below, of course.
what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down.
So this stainless steel cleaner is something my mother-in-law told me about, and I'm obsessed with it. It smells amazing, and it really gets all that stuff off your stainless steel appliances. Mine are supposed to be like the fingerprintless kind, but it still shows stuff. But I do this like probably once a week, and it just really keeps them looking nice. and makes me feel like my house is super, super clean because it smells so good, and then everything's super shiny. So I highly recommend it. I got it at Walmart, but they sell it at Target, pretty much anywhere you can get this stuff.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So that is pretty much it. I cleaned pretty much everything. There was still another bathroom, but Aaron cleaned his own bathroom, so I didn't have to do it, so that was super nice. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put my sheets back on and get everything ready before we go to bed. It was starting to get kind of late in the evening, and I've been cleaning seriously all day and doing laundry all day, so I have to fold all that laundry today now. But I finally got all the sheets cleaned, and also my duvet cover wasn't dry in time for me to finish this video, so we just kept the insert and slept on that last night, and that was totally fine. But I am going to put that duvet cover back on today. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me clean my whole house. It was definitely really nice to have the time to do this and not feel bad about not studying or something. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, my guest bedroom renovation / upgrade is coming up soon, so don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
From the get-go, let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, it's a use of playing games, though. There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it.